It's been long since the rain fell on a fate-filled day on Memorial Tomb. Loud noises, cries of witches and their bells. It was then that evil left the womb, stealing a chameleon's tears for concoction, hiding at dawn's hour of redemption, sheltering in the tomb of destruction. A chameleon is repulsing, hunting for saltless blood, draining tears off mother's eyes. And you said you have changed? A servant has no integrity. The newest mother is saddest. A new moon that holds clear rain, stealing a chameleon's tears for concoction. But I'm just a servant. Loud noises, witches' bells. Take your baby to the church.